Alright, so we're at this is one single garage sale, but it's like we've been here many times before, and I'm gonna go kind of quick because there's just too much stuff here. I could spend an hour looking at each stuff. It's not closed. They're not really set up yet, even though, if you can see, look at this. It's just the whole yard. So there's stuff in every nook and cranny. You really have to spend an hour here. Here's a projector. I mean, this is kind of cool. So there's a lot of dew out this morning. It was 64 degrees. And I'm just so glad I'm wearing the shoes I bought yesterday for $6 because this is like tons of grass and my feet were getting totally dirty and wet. Oh, look at this. There's like a four-wheel slot machine. You don't see them that often. It's a bonanza bank. I should put this stuff out so somebody can see it. Yeah. That's why they're hoping people like me to go through this box. But for tennis, this stuff, wrist and even like a little vacuum bag. It's totally awesome. What is this? Oh, that's like it does nails in your feet and stuff. Interesting. Everything is totally awesome. What is this? A lot of consonants, no vowels. This is something little. Interesting. It's like I'm dancing one of those raisins or something. Okay, let's see what else we got here. Look at Christmas stuff. This side we can go through kind of fast. Unless I see a box full of stuff. I see cut-off wires. Come on. Yeah, people do buy those things too. Power strips. Problem is with a lot of these power strips is that because it flooded, my house definitely flooded. You don't know if some of this electronics was caught in the flood. Now this area wasn't caught in the flood. This area is about 20 feet above sea level, but anything lower than 15 feet, that is a potential. These are pH down. This is all pool stuff. pH down would be acid. So baking soda would be pH up. These bolts I need to fix my lanai. Wow. I can't believe I see something that I need. But I need something with a bolt on one side. Not like this. Although I could obviously use two of these. Two of these on each side. Why?
Because I need my phone.
I don't think I locked it. I'll go for it. This is interesting stuff here. What is this? A boombox. Wow.
Is that for the AC too, or no?
It's like a downspout, I think, but it's interesting. Usually the plastic stuff like that doesn't last though. I would not buy plastic downspouts. You gotta get aluminum. Fasteners. Oh wow, look at these nice things. Oh, these are really good. There's some interesting stuff here. Accu-tire. Oh, this is one of the really expensive. It's not an air blow up, but it's just a digital meter. I wonder how you recharge that. It's not. If it is not lithium ion rechargeable, I do not want it anymore. Interesting stuff. Polyblend sanded grout. I just bought concrete. That was silly of me. I knew this garage sale was happening. Oh wow. Yeah. My soldering thing took a dive too in the water. Look at this. All these lithium ion batteries. 40 volt too. Hold on. Put that over here. Well, I don't know if I took a dive in the water though, because this guy gets his stuff from all over the place. So these bells, it's pretty awesome. So you just never know. You never know where the stuff came from. You could have got it from a flood zone area. There's iRobot. Russian tea set. Let's see this. Oh, this is like a defibrillator. Oh, how morbid. Something interesting. Side panel to a door. Interesting. See, everything has its own little interest. Look at it. It's like a lawnmower you can make into a wicked dune buggy. Beads. Look at this. I'm gonna go faster because Christmas. It's almost Christmas. It's December 4th today. Christmas tree. I don't even have a Christmas tree up because my house is in disarray. I thought not to put a Christmas tree up this year. I don't even want to put Christmas lights up this year. Oh wow, this is what I could use. 29-inch tiles. Because I have my beach. These are pretty worn though. These are pretty worn. They don't look like 29. 26. Yeah, something to do it. Chainsaw. There's a clothesline. Wow, I haven't seen one of them since the 70s. There's a generator. It's a pretty nice wattage. It's a lot of plants, a lot of aloe. Okay, there's some carpet cleaners. Here. Just good stuff, man. If you would just have a store, then we could sell 100 times more. You should open up a Goodwill store. Or good something. Good junk. It's a Goodwill. Some clothes over here. We're going to skip the clothes. Alright, we're going to go this way. If we skip the washing machine. It's a Maytag side loader. And then of course concrete. Oh. 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 Morning. Oh. Kind of nice there having a TV. You done, Mom? Mm-hmm. Okay, hold on.
Did you see that huge generator over there?
Yeah, I did. 6,200 watts. That's pretty nice.
Actually, somebody's supposed to come by and pick it up today. They didn't leave a deposit yet. They were on motorcycles yesterday.
Where'd you get all your slot machines from?
Northport. Gentleman used to rebuild them and sell them. Passed away.
Oh, that's still pretty awesome. Wow, that is awesome. 25 cents. 25 cents. 25 cents.
I got a deal with the high school over here. I make a donation to the high school,
That's
and
sweet.
they've got a new shop program to fix small engines and boats. And they're fixing my stuff. I just write them a check out of my nonprofit as a donation. So I donate from my nonprofit to their nonprofit.
Just got one like that for $10. Okay, back here is usually where he has this interesting stuff, but I don't see anything interesting at the moment. So, look at all these engines he has. Wow. I'm telling you, there's tons of good stuff here. And he's kind of pricey. That's the problem. He's got some folding bikes here. Alright, we're gonna go a little faster because my friend is already bored. He's already bored, and this garage sale keeps on going and going and going. I mean, look at this stuff. We're not even. So we're gonna go kind of fast here. What do we got over here? So I need tools, but not at these prices. See, the other garage sales, they don't really open until almost 8 o'clock. And it's a cold morning, so everyone's going to have a slow start. This guy, he said he was going to open up at 7. And a cool front just came through last night. So it's 64 degrees, that's kind of cool. So they're all bundled up. Me, I'm wearing my beach outfit, shoot. I do need welding stuff. I saw a welding helmet over here. Right here. And some welding gloves. And an industrial solder. He's pretty good at trying to, he combines or puts the same similar stuff in the same area. So, But this is all the welding stuff he has. It's not too much. They were giving out free gloves for the hurricane. I got a pair. That was nice. And you know what? They were giving out free rakes. I should have grabbed one of them too, but I didn't. All right, so over there's just cups and glasses. We're not gonna go over there. See what do we pass over here? Let's see, what else do I need? I need a wet dry vac, but he probably has one, but his prices are just too expensive. Throw away, yeah, he doesn't throw away anything. I'm hearing him talk right now. Says he throws away what he doesn't want. Yeah, right. I mean, okay, yeah, when you do acquire stuff, you are going to throw some stuff away, but because there is little old junk. You know, the 134A, he's got refrigerant here too. See, there's a nice saw that's cordless. Takes these type of batteries here. It's Black & Decker. So these two and that charger would go with that. But he probably wants like $30, so that's not even worth it. Yeah, you know what? If you're gonna take a chance on an old, see, for tool wise, I could probably restock all my tools if I bought in bulk here. I could probably look at all these pneumatic tools he has. I mean, that is awesome. I lost all my pneumatic; it was all flooded. But then again, who's to say these tools weren't flooded too? So that's the thing. There's a hair dryer used as a heat gun. What's this? Okay, that's a video thing. This is, I don't know what that is. That's an adapter. Interesting. I'm using a makeshift adapter to charge my laptop. I have a what's it called? I think it's an Asus laptop, and it's a lower voltage, but it still works. It's just I can't put a USB, or if I do put a USB and it drains down the battery power, it can't work directly on the power adapter coming from the wall, so it draws down the battery every time I turn the USB on. But if I don't have the USB on, then there's enough power to run the laptop. This is interesting. Again, more like crafting, and this is like electronics and stuff. Yeah, Rector set. Oh yeah, that's what I need. I need a single light bulb. This would be the best place to find it. Look at this. He's got like a ski. What is that? 2 skis. Yeah, nice. Okay, almost done here. Almost done. These are some power tools there. And my friend is already back at the car waiting. And he's got some more stuff here. Yep. Ooh, all this awesome stuff. Man, I can go through these boxes. Shoot. Alright, we're gonna call it right now because there's just too much stuff. Too much stuff, my friend is eager to get owned. Alright, let's go. Morning. It's like a mango tree, but
I'm kind of tired with or set up with cruisers. I don't know.
I got a 3-wheeler. I found out I'm not very good on a 2-wheeler anymore. I've got plumeria trees that are wood. $2 up to $5.
okay.
And a lot of miscellaneous stuff.
Any wet dry vacs?
Any what?
Wet dry vacs?
No. We're keeping the only
Are you selling your Coke?
selling what? Nope, nothing over there.
Sorry, I saw it. Couldn't resist looking at it. Battery charger.
Not even the beer. Not even selling the beer.
See, I have them just like that, but I'm getting rid of my GoPro.
Are you?
I'm sick of it.
Really?
It just I've been experiencing problems with it.
Well,
And
that's funny you should say that because that's what my son who was enabled, that's what he's asking for. He had a GoPro.
oh really?
He was having trouble. And he said, I need a new one. So what are you getting in the price of that then?
I was thinking about selling both my GoPros for $20 altogether.
Well, how are you, then what are you replacing them?
So we have a $15 ladder, it's a nice one. $40 table and chairs, nice. Let's go a little car ramp, fine. And we got Times Square. Wow. There's a big beer mug. A fan. This is another glass, I guess. Oh, look, here's a coin machine. This is pretty awesome. This coin machine is pretty awesome.
Yeah, I was thinking if this is coin or not.
Yeah, it's coin. So,
It's solid.
for $1, I would buy it. How much is your coin machine? $1? How much was your coin machine?
Give me an offer on it. I paid almost $100. I used it about 6 months.
Wow. Well, at least you used it.
Sam's.
Sam's? Oh, okay. So what are you looking to get for it?
Give me an offer.
Okay. You think about it. You think about the offer?
You think about it and you think about what you want to go.
Okay, that sounds good.
That sounds good to me too.
Is there anything for sale in the garage?
No.
I'm looking for 40-volt lithium Ryobi batteries.
No, son just left. He didn't know about that.
Okay. Uh-oh. That could be a sign of a little...
Yeah, I saw that on Friday. I was like, I thought they were repairing this car, but this car got lifted by this tree.
And it's still lifted?
Look at that. The whole driveway went up. Oh, isn't that cool? That's good. That's good. You know, that's worth filming.
Oh, wow. Oh, and the runner board got a little pulled out. Oh, that's what happens when you have big trees and you get big roots. And that's what happens when you only have 4 inches of concrete. You need a 6-inch concrete driveway. Oh, terrible. I wonder if they cut the root, if the car would go. Oh no, it did. It damaged the runner board. That's it.
TD. 2000, one of the original zero turn.
It's a nice Harley Davidson.
Property back when I lived up in Perry and I had 40 acres. It was perfect. It would cut anything.
Yeah, it's got the handles look like they're missing something. It's a big gas tank. You think about it. It's not repair. Any wet dry vacs?
Pardon me?
Any wet dry vacs for sale?
Nope.
Is that a wire welder?
That's Derek's over there. What do you mean a wire welder?
Sometimes there's like a wire spool that comes.
Yes, that is
okay.
a wire welder because I got the spool.
Okay.
What do we do with the spool? We've got a whole spool over here somewhere. Yeah, that's what it is.
Okay. All right, let me think about it. That's it. The light bar is kind of interesting. All right, let me check out. Oh, here it is. Here's the wire welder he was looking for. $60. I don't know. I gotta think about it. I mean, it sounds like a great deal. I could use that to fix my maybe $40. I'd take it. This is it. Shoes and just that's it. Alright, recap. Today was kind of a weird day. There was about 8 garage sales out there. Half of them were bonus sales, and then the 4 or more that garage sales should have existed didn't. So, but anyway, let me show you what I bought. I actually took it out of the car already. It's a wire welder. I got this for $40. They had 60 on it. The guy says he only used it a couple times. Now, I see there's a couple burn marks on the cord itself. He probably didn't have a, this is one of the cheap ones. They cost about $130 in Harbor Freight, but it comes with a spool of wire, which is pretty cool. And the guy showed it at work because he had done some spot welding on it. He says it can do steel. Now, he was welding a piece of steel that I like because I have a post in my backyard about the same thickness. So I said, for $40, I'll take a try on it. So, and the thing is that I saw a welding helmet at the first garage sale I went to, and I don't know what happened to mine. I had a welding helmet somewhere. Maybe the flood ruined it. I don't know. But I need a welding helmet now, so I may actually go back. I think I'll probably have a sale again next weekend, so I'll go back and get it. But anyway, I spent $40 this weekend. This is the only thing I bought. So it came with the wire feed weld, and the it's in good condition, and it comes with an extra. Not sure what this is. There's stick or tack welder or what, but an extra wiring thing. I guess you can do some kind of tack welding. So, which I think is pretty cool. So anyway, I got all that for 40, and I guess now I'm going to start playing around with it. So hopefully better luck next weekend.